With a highly sought after surroundings and located in the original part of Peregian Springs, it is my pleasure to bring to you 130 Havana Road, West Peregian Springs. Spread over 2 levels and boasting 607 square metres, this beautiful property is filled with natural light and breeze that casts throughout the louvers and high ceilings to create a seamless flow throughout. The ground level comprises of a large ensuite bedroom and a spacious living area, making it ideal to work from home or to capitalise on a dual occupancy. From the upper level, you will enjoy the heart of the home, featuring modern appliances, air conditioning, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with the walk-in robe and ensuite in the master bedroom. With multiple entertainment areas to choose from, this property has ample room for the children to play and spacious for the whole family. Enjoy the evening wind downs with a refreshing dip in the pool, surrounded in your own private retreat. From this location, you are 5 minutes from Beach Access 68, minutes to Noosa National Park, Peregian Beach North, and a 15-minute cycle to Kululan Beach South, with local shops, schools and sporting facilities only moments away. So if you love everything that the property has to offer, then I look forward to seeing you at our first private inspection. I'm Beck Simpson from PPG Property Group, and thank you for watching.